Hello children, now I am going to teach you another 5 letters. Now here the letter, the first one here, capital F, simple F. Here capital K, simple K. Here capital I, simple I. This one capital J, simple J. Here capital H and simple H. Now what we are going to do? We are going to find the picture and word. Okay. Now we'll start from the first one. The first letter is F. F for, what is this? F for flower. F for flower. Now look here. F for flower. Now we have to find the word flower. Here the word flower. Remember the first letter here is F. F. Here the first letter is F. Flower. Here the picture flower. F for flower and the word flower. Now we'll go to the next one. Here letter K. K for, now try to recognize the picture here. Kite. What it is? Kite. K for kite. Here kite. K for kite. Then we will find the word K for kite. Look. K for kite. The first letter is K. Here, the first letter here, K. K. K for kite. The word kite. Now here the letter I. I for igloo. What it is? Igloo. Here the picture igloo. Alright, now I will find the word here, igloo. Remember the first letter here, I. I for igloo. Here the word here and the first letter is I. Igloo. I for igloo and the word here, igloo. Now here the letter J. What's the letter? J. J for jam. Look. J for jam. J for jam. Right? Here we'll find the word jam. Here the word jam. J for jam. And the word here, jam. Alright? Now, the last one, H. What's the letter? H. H for hamster. H for hamster. Here, look. H for hamster. Now, here the word hamster. First letter is H. H for hamster. Right? We'll read here. F. F for flower. Flower. K. K for kite. Here the word kite. Here I. I for igloo. Igloo. Here the word igloo. Here J. J for jam. Here the word jam. Jam. Right? Now, here the letter H. H for hamster. Here the word hamster. Hamster. Right? That's all, children. Again, we'll meet with another 5 letters. Thank you for listening.